Hello, what's up? PBN editor here from Panther Studios, and today we are going to be creating this YouTube Creators Award. It's very easy to customize, and before we get started, let's look at the preview. Come back for more free After Effects templates. Make sure you subscribe and also share, and if you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment section below. Okay, so I created everything inside the element 3D. Okay, and I created the base using this cylinder model. All I did was to scale down the cylinder models, created about 4 models. As you can see, one is flat, the other one is a little bit higher than the other, and that is how I did till I got the base of the award. Okay, then you see these small play buttons. This YouTube logo, I made it more smaller, and also the big one. Then I did the YouTube write-up. I did it in After Effects and put it inside the element 3D. So it's very simple, very easy for you to customize. For us to change the template, the name, you just come straight to this Panther Studios here, the title here, double click on it, then you can name it to your own channel or to whatever name you want to give it to. For example, I can say your channel, and immediately it just loads up. Very easy, very fast in rendering. It doesn't take much of your time. The cameras are animated very well. This is our first camera. Okay, so we have different angles in this template. It is very easy. Then this is my background. Nothing much happening, so I created the plane. So you come to this create plane, then increase it to whatever size you want it to, and it's also adjustable. If you want to increase it, you can also still increase it to the size you want it to be. Very easy to use, very easy for you to navigate. You can change. If you don't like the colors, it's very easy. You can just come into this and I loaded this black bullet looks from Red Giant. You can download it from their site. They have tons and tons of color grade that will make your video look very cinematic. Okay, so you can come in here, maybe select whichever one that suits your video that you want to do. It is very easy. You can change look, then still make adjustments here, increase, decrease, just like that. Okay, it is very easy for you to navigate through this template. It doesn't take time for it to render, very fast in rendering, and this template is available and the link is in the description below. Make sure you download and change whatever you want to change, make some adjustments, and you can use it. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, and also subscribe. Please, let's get the channel to 1000 subscribers, and also share this video to others. Thank you, and see you in our next video. My name is PBN Editor from Panther Studios. Thank you for watching.